Hi, my name is Tommy. Today, I want to tell you about my new friend. His name is Jamal, and he has really cool curly hair and the darkest skin I've ever seen. I met Jamal at the park last week. We were both playing with our trucks in the sandbox. At first, I was shy because Jamal looked different from my other friends. But then he smiled at me, and I smiled back. We started talking about our favorite trucks, and soon we were laughing and playing together. Jamal is super fast when we race, and he knows all the best hiding spots in the park. He even taught me a new game with marbles that his grandma taught him. It's so fun. Sometimes people look at us funny because we're different colors, but it doesn't matter to us. Jamal is my friend because he's kind and funny, not because of how he looks. We have so much fun together, and I can't wait to see him again at the park tomorrow. Thank you for listening to my story about my new friend Jamal. Remember, friends come in all colors, and what matters most is how nice they are inside. Bye-bye.